As you see, guys, people are even here by the fence. They want to see what we're doing. Okay. So we're gonna put it in today. This thing costs 2,000 rand from the agents. You can't find it nowhere. Can't find it. Gold Wagon, you can't find it. Cotwells, none of the space. Alert space, nobody's got it. Albert and I went, and then they said I should go to VW, the agents. I went there by VW agents, and I bought it for 2,000 rand. Yeah, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Seems like an aluminium pipe, but if it's rusted inside, please guys, don't put clean water in your thing. Use your coolant, otherwise it will rust this pipe. Okay, so I'm going to install this pipe today, and then hopefully we will have a clean system of water. I'll drain the water, and then I'll put nice coolant. Yes, sure.